After Mr. Electric came in and fixed all of our issues, it's just so nice that you can feel confident and have that peace of mind that everything is done appropriately and the way it should be done.
Well, it really started up with the first phone call. They set up an appointment right away. It was, close to within 24 hours when we made the call. And then what was really interesting is that on their way over, they sent us a text message and said, "We're on our way." And that's something we'd never experienced before.
They came in and introduced themselves. They had their iPad, just looking for other things that maybe we might need.
The service is really what stood out to us. I'm sure there are other electricians that could do electrical work, but the service that came with it, the friendly attitude, the helpfulness, and the follow-through were really what we liked.
And to have a couple of gentlemen that make sure they're explaining to you what they're doing while they're doing it was just outstanding. It was really reassuring to my wife and I that the gentlemen that showed up in our home really knew what they were doing.